We got a 2014 Chevy Silverado pickup truck, classic America. Let's check it out. We just straight piped it. The catalytic converters are still on there. And this is a stock converter right here. 3-inch piping where the muffler was over there. There's that little dusty resonator that we took off today. That was right over here. And we have those dual chrome tips. Check those out, coming right out of the side. Let me know what you guys think. Also, we are offering franchise opportunities, G Exhaust. So if you want to be part of something that has high profit margins and own a business, just reach out to G personally in the description below. Check that out. All right, let's see how she sounds.